Hello, this is Scott with Walking My Path. We have a fun video today. Please subscribe if you like this video. We're here today at Walden Pond, of course famous for Henry David Thoreau and his famous book Walden. But today we're going to explore a lesser known aspect of Walden's history, this time as an amusement park. We're going to start across the train tracks on the back side of the park. September 1st, and we are on Adams Woods Conservation Land. It's on the other side of the railroad from Walden Pond. And I was just curious if there are any remnants of the old amusement park here. We're going to walk around a little bit and see what's here. So far we haven't found the amusement park, but I did find what appears to be an old horse path with some jumps built in. Past one already, and here's another one, but it looks like it's been a while since it's been used in that format. At least I guess that's what that is. If anybody knows, feel free to tell me. If you think it's something better, put it in the comments. Is that set up as an obstacle for a horse? Kind of excited. I didn't look at this at all. And so I'm just day hiking in an area that I haven't been in, and haven't researched. Just looking for this amusement park, and I will probably have to come back another day to look for it. But have found some new walking paths to look over. So that's kind of exciting. So this looks like another jump here. It's deteriorated. And then up above is another one. Don't see any hoof prints, so I don't think it's currently being used. I guess these could be just obstacles for keep people from driving back here in motorized vehicles or motorcycles. Oh, there's the ghost pipe. So in 1866, Charles Heywood and the Fitchburg Railroad purchased land and developed an amusement park on the western shore of Walden Pond, known as the Walden Lake Grove Excursion Park. Had its own stop on the railroad. This park transformed Walden from a quiet retreat into a bustling tourist attraction. So the park featured a beach, seesaws, swings, picnic tables, dancing platforms, and even merry-go-rounds. Gala boats floated on the pond, decorated with colorful ribbons and streamers. It was probably a bit like Coney Island of the 19th century. Right there, it looks like the train tracks. Go up this way just a little bit, and then we'll head out. So the amusement park did have a bicycle track. This little cove may have been a bicycle track. Not sure. Hear the train coming. Probably been those big bicycles, you know, with a big front wheels. It may have been a place to ride those. I'm not sure. If anybody knows, put it in the comments, please. So this is the approximate place, the opening of the amusement park here at Walden. There's no remnants of it. Doesn't seem like here. All daisies. We assume that these are pieces left over from the amusement park. Maybe part of a podium or a little or some steps, something like that. So here's another entrance, a little farther south on the railroad tracks. So I think these steps were put in originally as part of the fair. Pardon me, part of the amusement park that was here. And they say that if you're in a boat in the water, you can still see some of the structures that are down there that have sunk. More steps that are likely part of the entrance to the old amusement park. So this is on the northwest side, Walden Pond. What is now called the part of the Alt Pond Loop. As we walk here, try to imagine the sights and sounds of the air. Laughter of children on swings, and the music from the dance halls, and the chug of the small paddle wheel boats that toured the pond. I did find these stone structures. So we weren't able to find any large swing sets or signage, but did find a few items, a few remnants. If you know about anything related to the amusement park, please post it in the comments. Thank you. And please subscribe.